Road safety tips while driving. It's good to learn driving, but one must be aware of safety tips. Be in the seatbelt, no mobile phone, never drive when drunk, and should have regular rest to avoid driving tiredness. One should always drive on the left. Guide to you as driver should be close to divider line. You need to be careful about the animal nearby the lane and slow down the vehicle where their animal warning symbol. In the case of emergency, don't leave your vehicle, stay in the shade, drink water, prepare adequate signals, and give a call at 000. Beware of the road sign and marking like stop, speed limit, roundabout, animal warning symbol, etc. Always adhere to them. Always overtake through the right of the vehicle whenever needed. Never overtake on double white liner, blind spots or rises. Be aware of rural area and hazard as the condition of the road is not that good, and you need to adjust your driving according to the situation. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.